This here is our 164 Tasman caravan, fresh out of the factory. Like all of our caravans, it's still tandem wheel with independent sprung suspension. We use the Cruise Master. Down the side you've got your standard toilet cassette, you've got your awning, outside light, and then over here you have your two 9-kilo gas bottles tucked away in there, and also external gas bayonet. Now we'll take a look inside. Alright, here we go. Beautiful spacious lounge. Plenty of storage up the top there. You've got your radio. You've got your satellite dish as well. Your nice recessed LED lighting, like through all the trail lights. Another big storage cupboard on the other side. Beautiful kitchen, stone bench top, spacious cupboards as always, metal runners, soft closed drawers with the nice handles as well. Like all the trail lights, stock standard, you've got your 27-inch smart TV, your 180-litre fridge freezer, where you can choose compressor or absorption fridge, entirely up to you, whichever you would like. Pantry in here. Still got your 3-burner gas hob, 34-litre oven. Now down the back, this is what separates this caravan from the others, is the gorgeous single beds that you have. Each side, beautiful, 1900 long, 750 wide, perfect size. Then you've got spacious drawers underneath. Massive, absolutely massive. And then you also have your wardrobes. 4 wardrobes, 2 each side. And you've got those 2 there as well. Under this side, you don't have drawers because that's your exterior locker. So under there, from the outside, full storage. Table, chairs, golf clubs, fishing rods, you name it, you can pretty much fit it as long as it's not a bike. Now if you do want to separate the 2 areas, you have a blind here which you can pull across. That'll come out, and that just closes off like so. Coming down the back, above the beds, 1, 2, 3, abundance of space. Both sides, another 3 there. I won't open them, you get the idea. Headboards, reading lights, double glazed windows, blackout blinds which come down with a thermal backing just to help with that heat retention in winter. Then into the bathroom, down here, beautiful. Toilet, hand basin, soap dispenser, and then your generous sized shower. Shower head, feature wall, and then your shower rack as well, just to dry things off. You got vents all through the caravan, so you can let the fresh air out. This door also closes off. A couple of towel rail holders, just like so, and you can really close off your bathroom. And that is a quick rundown of the 164 Tasman caravan that we build and manufacture here in Pukekohe. made by TrailLite. If you do have any questions, you know how to get hold of us. 09238 6869, and you're with Sam, one of the sales team here. Thank you again.